Jaeger LeCoultre Polaris Date Watch. Main features are: Jaeger LeCoultre Polaris Date is a luxury sports watch inspired by the legendary 1968 Memovox Polaris. Positioned as a high-end go-anywhere, do-anything, gotta timepiece, it bridges the gap between rugged dive watch capabilities and haute horlogerie finishing. The collection includes a redesigned 40mm case size, alongside the established flagship 42mm models. The Polaris Date is immediately recognizable by its dual crown configuration. The crown at 2 o'clock controls the internal rotating timing bezel, while the 4 o'clock crown controls the time and date. Water resistance 200 meters, 20 bar. Stock strap blue canvas with double folding buckle textured, clues deep Paris rubber dial colors, dark blue gradient fume lacquer black, gradient ocean gray, or deep green dial branding center JLC logo, no automatique text JLC logo under the 12, includes automatique. Central circle, sunray brushed finish that interacts vividly with light. Middle index ring, grain texture housing applied trapezoidal indices and bold Arabic numerals. Outer inner bezel, opaline finished rotating reha used to track elapsed dive time. Luminescence, hands, indices, and the main 12 o'clock triangle indicator are coated in bright super luminova. Select models feature a vintage, vanilla tint as an homage to the original 1968 model. Power reserve, 70 hours. Almost 3 full days, from a single barrel layout. Exhibition caseback. A sapphire crystal back showcases high-end horological decorations, including Coates de Genève striping, circular graining, and a dark, partially skeletonized anthracite-finished rotor. 1,000 hours control. Every single watch undergoes Jaeger LeCoultre's strict 1,000-hour testing protocol for water resistance, shock, and chronological precision before leaving the factory.